There are some things you may be doing that you don't know that are destroying or ruining your appliances. So let's see if we can help you. Number one is using hot water in your garbage disposal. Brad, you want to pick up on that one?
Yeah, so when we're talking about hot, okay, understand that pipes for a home are rated to 140 degrees, okay? So when we're talking about hot, we're talking about tap water hot, okay? Because your water temperature coming out of your water heater should be somewhere around 120 degrees. So what we're saying though is like if you're pouring out the water out of the spaghetti pot, you're boiling water through the colander, maybe you put in your sink, you want to have some cold water running through there too, because temperatures above 140 degrees, one, they're bad for the sewers, but two, they're bad for the pipes. They can cause them to leak. They can damage seals in garbage disposals. So yeah, you don't want to run anything hotter than what the water would be coming out of your tap.
All right. Next, leaving coins in your pocket when you're throwing them in the washing machine, that can damage the drum, and they may work themselves into the nooks and the crannies and cause a jam if you let them running around in there. Think about that. Also, overfilling your freezer. And Brad and Chuck, feel free to jump in on these if you've got little tips on this as well. So overfilling your freezer, it really works more efficiently than an empty one, but they can be too much of a good thing, and overfilling the freezer can block air vents and also restrict the flow of cold air. Overloading the washing machine. I think we all pretty much know if you stuff stuff in there, it's not going to get clean, is it?
No,
Not going to help.
Can't agitate.
Leaving spills in the oven, they get crusty. I'm not even sure. You can get them out after a while. Maybe if you put the oven on self-cleaning, that might help.
If they have a self-cleaning oven, Bob.
Yeah,
Some people
true.
don't know that they have even continuous clean ovens. It's always amazing to go into homes, do inspections. You open an oven up, and it looks like it hasn't been cleaned since World War II, and you just kind of wonder what's going on. And then you look, and it's got a self-cleaning feature to it. So
Also, letting lint build up in your dryer. This is a dangerous one because it could cause fires because of the lint, right? Yeah.
that's right. Yeah, and that's not just the lint basket at the front. That's cleaning the vent pipe out behind it, particularly if you've got a lot of bends and turns in it. They jam up quickly.
Don't use soap to clean your gas range burners. Here's one. Avoid cleaning your burners with soap. Doing so can lead to corrosion and clog the lighting hole where the gas comes out and gets on fire. Gets fired. Place sharp objects in the dishwasher can be a problem. Avoid putting them in because you can cut yourself pretty badly on that. Those blades can also damage the racks. You can use cast iron on your ceramic cooktop, but you might be doing damage. Are you aware of that, Fred? Do you know a little bit about that one?
No, I don't. I know that I don't know why you would have damage from those. So that one's a little curious, but
The bottom of the cast iron pan is rough and can easily scratch a smooth ceramic cooktop. That's why.
I use both and have that.
All right.
Haven't seen it, but I can understand, I guess, if you're not cleaning things and
Well, I'll throw in there that I would use a cast iron skillet before I got gas, and I went through two burners on my ceramic top. I used it so much that it stopped working, and never did I have a scratch from a cast iron.
Finally, mistreating the microwave door. So microwaves are often slammed shut. Don't do that. The appliances may be really in trouble if you do that. And pulling on the door also, by the way, will help ruining it as well. So keep an eye on how you handle that door, right?
Yeah, another thing on those microwave doors, the little latches, the little plastic mechanisms, you can lubricate those just a little bit, rub a little bit of vegetable oil over them, just with a paper towel, and actually it'll help quite a bit with the ease of opening and closing those doors.
All right, good tips. All right, so that's it. That's what we're talking about, 13 or so bad habits that are killing your appliance.